Hi traders, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. 𝐖𝐡𝐚𝐭𝐬𝐀, and in this video I'm going to talk about the proprietary indicator that we have made, how beautiful breakouts it has given us, and few of my research I have shared with you all on my Telegram channel. So let's begin and come with me to the screen. So right now here you have Titan, because Titan I have not given in public session because we were doing live trading with our members. Just have a look at it. It shows a compulsory buy above 2519 just at this place. This is how the candle opened today, the first candle, 9:15 candle open, and it says compulsory buy above 2519, and you can see by yourself how after moving above 2519 it hit the target of 2533, 2544, 2555, and what a beautiful run up in just 20 minutes, right? That's the kind of power this setup, this particular setup has. You must be knowing I gave you TVS from on my channel. Just see how beautifully it moved. It tried to hit 2954, but I don't think so it could manage it, because in the end, Nifty, oh, it did hit, it did hit the last target, dot on, right? What precision do you want? Like, this is dot on 2594. And we bought early morning in our live trading with our students. We bought its call option, right? We bought its 2500 or 2600 call option, and look at the kind of move the call option had given early morning itself. So that was one stock that I had given, and this I haven't given in the public channel. I'll show you the public channel. I gave TVS Motors. Have a look at TVS Motors at 920. And I'm going to show you how TVS Motor was identified. So see here, this is how TVS Motor is. In this, actually the levels didn't change. Stock opened only at compulsory buy. So when I saw this first candle was formed, the second candle and the third candle, when it was breaking this high, 1055 is where I gave a buy. 1056 is where I gave a buy out here, TVS. And in fact, to our members, we gave a buy on call option. If you see this call option, the call option that we gave was 1100. It moved, we gave it at about 18, and it moved straight away from 18 to this is where we gave a call option right here. Let me just mark it for you. We gave a call option right here at 18 rupees, and after that it straight away went tip till about 28.29. So this is the power of our setup, and this is not for sale. This is nothing. This is our proprietary setup. When we teach, we tell about it to our students and we share it with them for 1 month, right? But I'm not saying that you should join us or anything. You make your own choice. I'm not insisting. Have a look at Atul, how it beautifully gave a breakout. We missed it. We missed it because it's not possible to capture good trades in just 15-20 minutes of their, of the opening of the market. So have a look at it. This is 28,920 candle, and we have a compulsory buy above 8018. This is where we have a compulsory buy. So let me just play it for you. So we have to buy it above 8018. Let's see. You'll have to see the level has been broken and level has been modified. 8018, above 8018, it says compulsory buy. The first target is 116, then 179, then 279. This is our 279, and after 279 it's quite high. Above the next level is pretty much high. Let's see how it goes. Again, the levels have been modified. There's a compulsory buy above 8307. Let's see what happens today. We'll be able to see just, so these levels keep modifying as the stock goes up. The levels change, and let me just give you a little brief idea about what kind of levels are we talking about. We talk about a lot of mathematical levels. We talk about Fibonacci levels. We talk about the standard SD levels, and we are talking about the GAN levels, and we are talking about some other levels as well. And putting together, we have developed this indicator, and that is how you see such beautiful move in the stock. So see here, it has hit the target of 2875. dot target of 8275. This is the target that was hit. So this is, in fact, RBL Bank was on my radar since yesterday, but as I told you, not possible to track all the stocks. See here, I'll show you. It had a buy at 166, because why I remember, because I'll show you, I have put its call option as well somewhere. So see here, let's say I'll go to yesterday. This is yesterday's level, and it had a compulsory buy above 167.94. So let me just do the play for you. In fact, it got modified at 166 also, if I remember correctly. This, I mean, maybe I'm wrong, but I remember 166.3 or 4 was a corrected level. So see here, 167.94, it went, but it didn't go above compulsory buy. It has to go up and stay above. Now it has entered the compulsory buy above 167.94, right? Let's see. So now this target of 170 will be definitely hit, and once 170 is hit, 172 will be hit, 174 will also be. It'll try to go and touch that, but depending upon Bank Nifty, in case Bank Nifty is not supportive, it may come down. So 170, 167.9 to 170 is touched. Let's see. Now fresh levels have formed. Above 171, you have a compulsory buy. If you miss this entry in the beginning, you can go for a buy above 171.34. You know, in FNO stocks, even 1 point is more than enough. अगर आपको 1 point भी मिलता है, see here, compulsory buy, it's gonna go and hit this target straight up. From 171, it went to 171.34 to 173.74. आप ये सीधा target लगा के छोड़ दो, it will go and hit this target, right? 3 times it hit the same target. So that was RBL Bank, but I'm 100% sure मेरा इसमें 166 का compulsory buy इसने मुझे दिखाया था. If not yesterday, I think on Monday it had shown me a compulsory buy above 166. I'm 100% sure because I remember it very, very distinctly. I'll just see. I can't be wrong. I'm 100% sure about the level of 166. Let's see. There was, see here, compulsory buy above 164, but there was a time when it says compulsory buy above 164, 166. So I'm just going to check. This is 26th, now 27th have started, and compulsory buy above 164. So it goes down because I 100. Now see compulsory buy above 165.25. Let's see. So the model keep modifying, the levels keep modifying because what happens, you know, there is a dynamism in the market. मतलब market में price continuously change होता रहता है. Because price changes continuously, the levels also keep like, अगर कुछ ऐसा होता है market में जो कि important होता है to change the level, तो अपने आप जो लेवल्स हैं वो चेंज हो जाते हैं. मतलब कई बार लेवल्स नहीं चेंज होते हैं बिकॉज कुछ ऐसा खास बाइंग नहीं. अब देखिए यहाँ पे 160, आई थिंक ये 165 166 पे ही बाय अबव 166.5 था और बाय अबव कंपल्सरी बाय अबव 166.95 167.95. सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू कि हाउ आर लेवल्स परफॉर्म. ओके, एक क्विकली मैं आपको हरिओम पाइप्स भी दिखा देती हूँ जो कि मैंने आप लोगों को दिया था लाइव मार्केट में. लाइक हमने ट्रेड किया था इसके ऊपर. I'll just show it to you how the levels have performed in this particular stock. So let me start from here. So this is how it is, and it's already in the compulsory buy zone, right? It is already in compulsory buy zone. So I just have to wait for it to cross 361, or rather I would say 362, 363 is where I will take an entry. I will just see the price now. I won't because it's already in the compulsory buy zone. So whenever this barrier is crossed, like this struggle of morning range is crossed, I will take an entry. And see here, straight away it went up and further it goes till a certain point, 404, enough profit, 360 to 404, almost like 10% return. 10% return in a day is not small amount of money. So anyway, I just wanted to show you our trades and our stocks, and I hope you all made money along with StockPro. You don't need to worry. I'm filtering the stocks for you. You just got to make money, right? With this, I'll be signing off, and this is an indicator that has been developed by StockPro team and a mentor, Mr. Prem. So, but absolutely bang on result. I have been giving, based on this, I've been giving, we are trading in options, we are trading in futures, we are trading in cash, and everywhere it works just like magic. So with this, I'll be signing off. Stay tuned, and maybe we'll do some live trading based on this indicator in one of these days. All right, take care. Bye bye. See you.